Pulling out of Cumberland Depot, Cumberland, Maryland, here in the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to get much of a better view than this. I got a big post sitting right here. We're in the open car today, and I got to make sure I don't drop this camera. Thank you, sir. All right. This is railroading. Yeah. Got some ducks down there. Winchfield, C&O. What to love about that? That's across the river. There's CSX tracks. This is some beautiful country. A lot of hills down here around Cumberland, Maryland. If you can see up there in them cliffs or not. Doggone it, here we're at the middle of October and the leaves haven't hardly changed at all. This would have been nice and been able to do this in about 2.5 to 3 weeks. Sweet. I hope you can see that. Crossing lights aren't working. Okay. We'll have to get out and stop traffic. like this is a pretty sharp degree curve. Got some rail fans up there taking pictures. We are definitely climbing grade. Boy, this would be awesome with steam. Wait till 1309 gets in. We'll be back. Helmstettler's curve. Turn around here and show you that. What a beautiful view. Awesome. Just awesome. I'm hoping we'll see a CSX train across there, but we did the last time we rode. Don't think we're going to get too lucky today, though. Who knows, though? It's been a good ride. It's been a real good ride. Well worth it. This is a nice place to visit if you ever want to come down here, Cumberland, Maryland, and ride this. We had the dinner car last year. That was really nice. And we had 501 and GP30 pulling us. But it's in the shop today, so it's a pretty color. It's pretty. It's a red and white Western Maryland livery. There's the canal. They have a canal museum down here too by the depot. What's not to love about this? Well, okay, we just got done riding. It was a great ride, very enjoyable trip, and I went exploring. We're here at the back shops where they keep all the extra cars and the locomotives and everything back here, and I can't get in. Oh well. I didn't really think I would be able to, but I'd right here, just hoping I'd get a glimpse of 1309. C&O 1309, just hoping I'd get a glimpse of it, but probably in that big building up there, and just ain't going to get to see it today. Real nice Western Maryland caboose there. Okay. I guess that'll be it for this video, and again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a really good day.